A shocking discovery. The story of Christina Murray. Christina Murray, a 38-year-old woman, decided to have a child through IVF. She was excited to start a family. Murray chose a sperm donor, carefully reviewing profiles to find one that felt right. She underwent the IVF procedure hopeful and full of anticipation. Months later, Murray gave birth to a baby boy. However, when she saw her son for the first time, she was met with a heart-stopping realization. Her baby was African American. This was impossible, as both Murray and the selected sperm donor were white. Confused and frightened, Murray immediately suspected something was wrong. Had there been a mistake at the fertility clinic? She voiced her concerns, demanding answers. Genetic testing was ordered to unravel the truth. The results confirmed Murray's worst fears. She was not genetically related to the child she had just given birth to. Somewhere along the way, there had been a terrible mix-up. The news of the IVF mix-up sent shockwaves through Murray's life. The emotional toll was immense. She had just given birth and was now facing the devastating reality that the child she held in her arms wasn't biologically hers. The joy and excitement of motherhood were replaced with confusion, grief, and a sense of profound loss. Adding to the emotional turmoil was the ensuing legal battle. Murray sued the fertility clinic, alleging negligence and seeking justice for the life-altering mistake. Her lawyer, in a powerful statement, called the clinic's error a cardinal sin, a grave and unforgivable act. The lawsuit highlighted the devastating consequences of IVF errors, not just for the parents involved, but also for the innocent children caught in the middle. Sadly, Murray's case is not an isolated incident. In 2011, a similar IVF mix-up occurred in Ohio, leaving another family devastated. Then, in 2019, a New York couple endured the same heartbreaking experience. These cases, echoing Murray's story, underscore a chilling reality. Errors in IVF procedures, though rare, can have life-altering consequences. They highlight the importance of rigorous protocols, stringent checks and balances, and the need for complete transparency in the field of assisted reproduction. These cases are not just legal battles, they are stories of profound emotional upheaval. They force us to confront complex questions about identity, parenthood, and the very essence of family. The emotional toll on the parents who unknowingly raise a child who is not biologically theirs, the agonizing decision of whether or not to pursue a relationship with the biological parents, and the impact on the children as they grapple with their own identities. These are just some of the complexities that these cases bring to light. In the wake of Murray's case and other similar incidents, the fertility clinic at the heart of the controversy has maintained that this was an isolated incident. They have assured the public that they have implemented additional safeguards to prevent such errors from happening again. These safeguards likely include more rigorous identification protocols, double-checking procedures at every step of the process, and increased staff training to ensure meticulous attention to detail. However, the question remains, how can we ensure that such incidents never happen again? The answer lies in a multi-pronged approach. Firstly, fertility clinics must prioritize patient safety and implement stringent protocols at every stage of the IVF process, from initial consultations to embryo implantation. Secondly, genetic testing should be offered as a standard procedure, not just as an afterthought, to confirm the parentage of the embryos before implantation. Finally, open communication between patients and fertility clinics is paramount. Patients have the right to ask questions, raise concerns, and be fully informed about every step of the IVF process. By working together with transparency and unwavering commitment to safety, we can strive to make IVF a reliable and secure path to parenthood, free from the fear of devastating errors.